Okay, you guys go out for a quick break. Yeah, it's real hot though. Gotta be careful. Okay, bye. Well, shoot. I just did the whole feeding and realized that my phone overheated and stopped on me. So we're gonna just do a quick recap. All I didn't add any food. I checked on the temperature. It was just above 90 in here. And I just put that little container right in here of mixed food, put a paper towel over it, and called it a day. Not adding anything else. There was no watermelon or anything that's in there. And it was just this container that had been used previously. But because it's so hot out right now, I'm trying to open and close this as infrequently as possible. So at the time of the last feeding, was the last time I've been in here, and I haven't fussed with it, but there's no watermelon or anything left in here. So I know they ate that and enjoyed that. So we're gonna leave this be for another week or so. It's been a week since the last feeding, and yeah, I'm trying to keep this one super easy where we just kind of dump it in, kind of cover it, and just let the system do its thing. It's mostly just about figuring out how much food with the worms that are in here that we can throw in and let it consume reasonably. I don't mind having a little bit extra in here. So I'm thinking next week when we check on these, there's going to be a little bit of food left just because it's not all watermelon. Obviously their favorite, but that's okay. That's part of the beauty, I think, of the system. All right, well, that was my quick update. We'll see you guys next time. Bye, friends.